Funturu? Where is my Funturu? Funturu, you need to stay 10 steps away from me.
As you wish, my master. Master, I do not have legs, so how will I count my steps?
You count in any manner you wish, but stay away from me.
As you wish, my master.
Genie, genie, genie.
Yes.
Funturu, Funturu. He's a problem for me. Ever since I found him, I've been getting into trouble so many times. If he's with me, then I will never be able to make my way out of this desert.
He is the genie of the lamp. You cannot separate the genie from the lamp in any situation. The genie now belongs to you.
I'm really sorry. I'm going against you. But if I have to get out of here, I will have to separate the genie from the lamp. I will take the lamp with me and not the genie. And besides, that nice man had not told me the complete truth about the lamp. He had asked for the lamp and not the genie. He will get the lamp, I will give him his lamp, take the gold coins and disappear from there. This is a great idea.
These are tomatoes. This is a sign of the rich. If you buy these tomatoes, your neighbors will be jealous of you. It will help you command respect. People will consider you rich. You can start bidding for it now. 10 gold coins, tell me. 11 gold coins.
12 gold coins.
Oh my goodness. I swear upon the gold coins. Rashid just sold a tomato for 12 gold coins.
I found it.
I swear on the gold coins, tomatoes are being sold at the price of pearls. And I really fear that the prices of tomatoes may become equal to the prices of the antiques over here.
I wonder why the prices of tomatoes are soaring.
What is burning?
You.
What?
No, I mean you were cooking something in the kitchen.
Mother!
Oh goodness.
Mother!
Yes, my
I'm
son.
famished, mother. I'm
I'll
famished.
get something right away.
All he does is eating. He doesn't do anything else.
Hey, listen.
Yes,
Come here.
yes. But master, you had only told me that stay 10 steps away from me.
You wish to help me, don't you?
Yes, my master, you must have heard the name.
Actually, I am unable to find a precious thing of mine. Will you help me look for it? I'm very troubled since it's disappeared.
Oh my goodness! I'm tired of this madness. Tell me, what is it?
I'm unable to find my brain.
All right, I shall look for it.
Genie, genie, genie.
Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. What is a brain?
It is a thing.
Huh.
It gets tortured and burnt, barbecued, staying with people like you.
All right, I shall look for it. Tell me, where should I start searching?
I think I had seen it near the cave. You can go look over there.
All right, I will go right away. As you wish, my master Aladdin, you must have heard the name.
He's gone. Now I can search easily. Tomorrow is Friday, and as per my promise, I have to reach Baghdad with this lamp before tomorrow night. Otherwise, there will be a big trouble.
Mother, food!
Yes, I'm getting it. Here you go.
Hey, mother, can I get a tomato?
Of course, my son, you'll get one.
Even I want one.
I am tired of resting since morning. I will take rest after having my meal. Mother, bring the tomato.
I'm getting it in a bit. Be patient.
A tomato.
And listen,
Allah ki naam pe diri baba.
Wow, mother, wow. We are also so rich. We have chapatis with tomatoes every day.
can I smell it? Tomato.
Thank your stars that I let you think about it. You wish to smell it. Imagine when rich people like us are so shocked about the prices of tomatoes, then poor people like Ruxar must be yearning to see tomatoes.
Come on now, keep everything inside. Hey, careful! The tomatoes will spoil if they fall. Carry them properly.
Wonderful, wonderful. I swear upon the gold coins, the prices of tomatoes are soaring and you've got a sack full of tomatoes.
Sister-in-law, I will be organizing a feast to celebrate Aladdin's return. I had promised the Lord that I will organize a feast for the entire neighborhood when Aladdin garners glory in his work.
Yes,
They will surely come. But what will you do with so many tomatoes?
Aladdin loves tomatoes. I'm preparing his favorite dishes. Tomato paneer, tomato korma, tomato makhni, tomato tandoori, tomato kheer, tomato parathas, tomato koftas. Tomato will be the main ingredient. After all, we are from the family of Ibn Battuta. And yes, sister-in-law, I forgot to tell you, I've got some tomatoes for you too. You can let me know if you want more.
Keep it in the chest.
She has to keep the tomatoes in the chest.
Father.
Did you see her arrogance? I wonder where Aladdin got so many tomatoes. I mean to say, where is he getting so much money? Or did he find a treasure? Wonderful.
Mom, your wait has come to an end. I'm coming, Mom.
Be here on time, okay? Don't be late. Hey, Pitti!
Auntie, you?
Thank goodness I ran into you. I'm organizing a feast tomorrow at home.
feast?
Aladdin is coming back tomorrow. I've invited the entire neighborhood. Even you must come, okay?
Listen, Aunt. I'm really sorry, but I will not be able to come.
Why?
The Emperor and the Empress are returning from Hindustan, so it will be impossible to come out of the palace.
You and your work. You must visit me sometime, okay?
I am ready to come here and stay here forever, Auntie. But Aladdin does not do anything.
What are you thinking about?
Nothing.
I should get
Goodbye.
going. Goodbye.
Very good, Aladdin. You're almost there.
My Baghdad!
I left the genie behind, but brought the lamp along. Mwah! Whoa! Yay! Ha! I'm very hungry. I will at least eat 10 kebabs. Baghdad, here I come!
It's you who has invited trouble for yourself by not selling your tomatoes to my loyal servants. You have come to my abode. So you will be punished.
Please forgive me.
So tell me, Akbar, what is the status of the market?
Brother-in-law, what does he know about the situation? I will tell you about it.
Tomatoes have disappeared from the market, brother-in-law, and the prices of tomatoes have skyrocketed.
Brother-in-law, the people are very angry about the soaring prices.
Princess, the public is accusing the royal family that the prices of commodities are soaring while our emperor has gone to Hindustan on a vacation.
I am utterly certain that my father will exhaust the entire royal treasury to ensure that no one starves in Baghdad.
People often forget how merciful the emperor is. And all they can remember is their sufferings. That is what I wish for. I was very loyal to him 20 years ago. But I, in the last 20 years, in the guise of Muchchad, have been so cruel to his subjects that I doubt if he has any loyal people on his side.
These soaring prices will change the luck of Baghdad, brother-in-law.
If the prices in the market rise beyond a limit, then the emperor ends up paying the price.
Muchchad will have to pay the price for this. The price for treating the subjects cruelly and for troubling my father as well. He will pay the price for everything.
What will you do now?
I will tell my father about this Muchchad. And then he will teach this Muchchad a lesson he will remember by punishing him on the busy streets of Baghdad.
I will definitely punish each and every farmer from this province who refused to sell me his tomatoes. I'll punish them so badly that it will set an example.
Come on!
The genie and the throne of Baghdad will be mine very soon.
Splendid. This is heaven.
Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. Here, I'm here behind the pots. Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. Over here. Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name.
What are you doing here? How did you come
Here you go.
from there? What is this?
It is your brain.
You moron, this is not my brain. It is dirt, garbage and shit.
Oh, don't call it garbage or anything. Regardless of its appearance, it is still your brain and one must not refuse to take own stuff. So take it. Oh my goodness, I'm tired of this madness.
It means Guru was right. The lamp and genie cannot be separated.
My beloved Aladdin, the prices have soared lately. These days, tomatoes have become very costly. Long live the emperor. He's gone to Hindustan for a vacation.
He is not even worried about his subjects. Thank God that there are people just like you and your mother in Baghdad.
Exactly.
Oh my god. Why is such a bitter god talking so sweetly? Hey, you, just be quiet.
Who's that? A friend of yours?
Yeah, no one.
Ginny.
Genie?
Yes.
Ginu. He's Ginu. Yes, in his house everyone calls him Ginu fondly. He's our guest.
Your friend Aladdin is amazing.
What?
Yes. May God shower him with his blessings.
Let us go. Hey, thank you. Stay right there. We are leaving. We are getting late. That's why. Thank you.
All right,
Yeah,
thank you.
thank you.
Move back.
What is that for, Master? You must have heard the name.
You cannot roam around in this manner.
Why? God has blessed me with good looks. He has blessed me with a gorgeous body. He has given me such good legs.
Genie, genie, genie.
I do not have legs.
No one must know that he is a genie. It is just a matter of few hours. And I will hand over this genie to that nice person. Until then, I must hide this genie in my house.
Did you say something, Master Aladdin? You must have heard the name.
No, I did not say anything.
All right.
Today is Friday, and mother goes shopping on Fridays. I will hide him in my house for a few hours. I will hand over the genie to that nice person at midnight and charge him 10,000 gold coins. Yes. But I cannot take him there in this condition.
Even I will join you, all right?
Hey, come here.
Oh my goodness. I'm tired of this madness. These clothes are so good.
Come on, I wish to reach home soon. Yes.
My dear Aladdin.
Mr. Rahim, I will return your money in a couple of days.
Hey, why are you worried about the money, my dear? I just wanted to know whether you needed some bananas.
Yes, I want some.
No, we do not want any.
Please take some. You can pay me later. Please take some.
Yes. All right.
You can take them.
Splendid.
Thank you.
Hey, Aladdin. Would you like to have milk, curd or buttermilk?
No, thank you. Thank you so much.
I want some.
We'll have it later. Later, all right?
I'll wait for you, my dear.
What has happened to everyone? That vegetable seller, he did not smile even on his wedding, but he smiled looking at me today. And the milkman, I think he's a bad luck. Even he smiled at me. Whatever. Thank God no one saw you. That is a good thing. Let us go. Continue playing. Let's go.
Please have it. The entire neighborhood is at my place today. I'm so happy looking at this. Take it. The apple of my eye, Aladdin is coming back today. I always knew that he will be a great person one day.
All that is fine, but when will you repay the money?
Don't you worry about that. We have connections with the family of Ibn Battuta. In fact, let me know if you have taken a loan from someone. I'll repay that as well.
Here is what you can do, Rukhsar. Throw some gold coins at him. Then he will be quietened.
Please forgive me. It was my mistake that I could not recognize you. I did not know your family background.
I forgot the sheer khurma. I'll just get it.
She has prepared sheer kurma as well. Something is definitely fishy. The mother and son are surely up to something. I must find out.
Why is Aladdin not here yet?
I do not know.
Oh my god, what are the people of neighborhood doing here? New bed covers, new clothes, new carpets and all this. This is definitely my house, but what is this happening? Hey! There are so many people here. Before anyone sees him, I will take him outside. Come on, let's go.
Look, he's here. Just look, Aladdin is here. My Aladdin is here.
Aladdin is here.
Aladdin is here.
My cousin Aladdin is here.
I have to hide him from everyone.